In this video, we will be looking at the part of speech called nouns. Nouns can be divided into two groups. They can be either common nouns or proper nouns. In general, nouns are things that you can touch, feel, or see. If we think on that for a bit, you can touch a table, you can feel the wind, and you can see almost anything around you. Another way of thinking about it is that nouns can also be classified as people, places, or things. When a noun is written in a capital letter, in other words, it's the specific name of something, that is called a proper noun. So a proper noun is then either something like your name, Sally, or William, or Peter, the name of a place, South Africa, Italy, Australia, Woodlands, Ferry Glen, or the name of a thing, a specific thing, Mercedes, iPad, Samsung, LG. Anything you can think of that starts with a capital letter is classified as a proper noun. Nouns can also be written in plural form, which means that they are more than one. For example, one cat, two cats. So as soon as you have a noun and there's more than one, it's called a plural noun. The general spelling rule for a plural noun is to add an S to the noun at the end of the word. In the example, you can see one cat, two cats, one house, many houses, one girl, three girls. There are other nouns that are exceptions to the rule. For example, one man, two men. But for now, all I need you to remember is that in general, the rule is when a noun is turned into a plural noun, all you need to do is add an S to the end of the word. So if we have a look at your time to read worksheet, you'll see that they've given you 10 common nouns that you need to look at. That's called the root noun. So in this column, you will write down all the root nouns, and in the column next door, you will write down the plural noun. I'm going to help you with the first one. If we take the word lamp, the root noun is lamp, and its plural noun would then be one lamp, two lamps. So all you've done is you've added an S. In the grey box next door, you'll see it asks you for the spelling rule. So it says to write a noun in its plural form. Can you remember what I just taught you? When you write a noun in its plural form, all you have to do is add an S. Good luck with filling in your worksheet. I'm 100% sure that you guys are going to get this right.